All right, I just started recording. We just went short the Dow, and the trailing stops kicking in. This is on the 5-minute chart, which is 100% automated, and it's been a interesting market environment. We've got capital inflows, and we've got institutional leverage on. So wasn't crazy about the short trade because based on the market sentiment, Dow shouldn't be going down, but it is. It's a rotation out of NASDAQ. You can see the NASDAQ here on the right, and or money coming out of the Dow going into the NASDAQ. So it's a nice little trade so far. Let's see if it can continue, and the trailing stop can kick in. We've got 2 contracts, so we'll see in real time how this behaves. Also, the Dow's been a leader, or a laggard rather, leader on the way down of the negative. So what we want to do, if you're trading these down here, which is semi-automatic, then you want to look at longs in the NASDAQ and crude and gold, and short opportunities in the euro, Dow, and the Japanese yen. Japanese yen is weak because institutional leverage. What institutions do is they'll borrow in Japanese yen and Japanese banks. Look at that nice trailing stop, by the way. Boom, just took profit on one. See what happens with the other one. So what a lot of institutions do is they'll borrow in Japan, then convert because they have the lowest interest rate, one of the lowest in the world. Then they convert into dollars. They bring it back here and invest in U.S. assets, primarily the stock indices. And so that's why we have a weak Japanese yen. That's why here on the top right, IL, and that stands for institutional leverage on. And look at that nice move in the Dow. Let's see if we can pick up a nice close. Here on the bottom chart, I also have the Gnostic levels. And usually this bottom one right here is first support. It might stop and consolidate there. The last Dow trade did that, and it just happened to have taken profit at that level because of the trailing stop. Looks like it might take out this trailing stop now, if it continues retracing. I could have closed it when it hit first support. There you go. But I let the automation handle it because this one on top is full automation. All right, let's see how we did. Let's see where my P&L is right here. So let's look. Today's the 11th. It's generated. Boom, there you go. So 470 bucks on 2 contracts. And that's about it, members. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close up and stop the recording. This was a nice little demonstration on the iNewton. automated trading system.